Wondering whether it's the perfect moment to buy or sell Apple stock? Get ready to dive deep into Apple as we uncover an even more detailed analysis, building upon our initial report published on our website on Friday, September 22, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could significantly impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide, starting today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Hey there! Guess what? Our system has some interesting news about Apple. Brace yourself as we unveil the shocking truth about Apple's recent performance. Drumroll, please. Apple has been ranked as a sell candidate since September 6, 2023, with a score of -2.03. Curious to know how the stock has been faring during this period? Hold on tight because here comes the roller coaster. Brace yourself for a loss of -4.44%. Yes, you heard that right, a loss of -4.44%. Let's break it down even further. On average, Apple has been experiencing a daily loss of -0.34% since it was listed as a sell candidate. Brace yourself for an exciting ride as we delve into the stock market trends. Picture this: the stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term. But that's not all, there's a signal for further fall within the trend. How will this impact your investment? Now, let's talk numbers. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -8.69% change over the next 3 months. That means there's a chance for a return between -12.77% and -2.81%. Are you ready for the roller coaster? But wait, there's more. The 12-month trend is even more intriguing. Brace yourself for a potential 38.76% change over the next 12 months. This could lead to a return between 31.82% and 62.87%. Can you imagine a price range of $230.41 to $284.68 after just a year? Welcome back. Today, we have some exciting news about Apple's stock performance. Hold on to your seats because Apple's stock price experienced a thrilling gain of 0.494% on the last trading day. Can you believe it? Let's dive into the details. The stock price soared from $173.93 to $174.79, showcasing an impressive upward trajectory. Throughout the day, it fluctuated by 1.74%, starting at a low of $174.06 and peaking at a high of $177.08. Talk about a roller coaster ride. Now, here's an interesting fact. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a slight decline of -1.9%. However, don't let that discourage you. Remember, the stock market is full of surprises. On the trading day we're discussing, the volume of shares fell by -5 million. But don't fret. A total of 55 million shares were still bought and sold, equivalent to a whopping $9.63 billion. That's no small feat. Keep in mind, falling volume on higher prices can be a sign of divergence and might indicate upcoming changes in the market. So, stay alert. Now, let's talk about Apple's performance over the past year. The highest stock price recorded was $198.22, while the lowest was $124.17. As of now, the current price is 11.82%, or $23.43, below the 52-week high. Additionally, it stands at 23.43%, or $53.47, below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018, at $228.26. Quite a journey, isn't it? Are you ready to dive into some exciting news about Apple's analyst ratings? Hold on tight as we take a look at the recent grades given to Apple by top financial institutions. Let's start with the latest report from Goldman Sachs on September 19, 2023. They gave Apple a buy grade, signaling their optimism. Now, on September 12, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities joined the discussion with a neutral grade for Apple, indicating a cautious stance. Fast forward to the same day, September 12, 2023, and Wedbush enters the picture, giving Apple an outperform grade. Things are looking up. Morgan Stanley joined the party on September 8, 2023, with an overweight grade for Apple. That's a strong vote of confidence. Lastly, on August 4, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight grade. Keep an eye on this one. Exciting news for Apple stock investors. Industry analysts have unanimously given Apple stock a strong buy rating. Not only that, they have also rated the P/E ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as another strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a more cautious rating of neutral. Hey there! Let's talk about some exciting news on Apple stock. Get ready, because a buy signal was just issued for Apple. This happened on Thursday, September 21, 2023, and the stock has already risen by 0.494%. But wait, there's more. We might see further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, there's a little twist. Volume fell during the last trading day, despite the prices going up. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It's crucial to keep a close eye on this stock. Now, let's talk about some negative signals. They might have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Apple stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. That's not all. There's a general sell signal when we compare the long-term average to the short-term average. On corrections up, the stock might face some resistance at $176 and $179.01 levels. But don't lose hope. A breakthrough above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Are you still with me? Great! Because there's one more thing you should know. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. So, it's definitely an interesting time for Apple stock. Welcome. Are you ready to explore some fascinating signals? Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Next up, we have the pivots, which gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger signal triggered a buy recommendation 14 days ago. Checking the short-term moving average, it provided a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also generated a sell signal 14 days ago. Now, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 11 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart analysis. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also provided a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 17 days ago. For more intriguing signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Are you ready to dive into the world of Apple support, risk, and stop loss? Picture this: Apple finds solid support from accumulated volume at a tempting $174.21. This could be your golden opportunity to buy, as history suggests an upward reaction when this support level is tested. Exciting, right? Let's talk risk. Apple tends to have average movements during the day, but with a healthy trading volume, the risk is considered medium. In the past 24 hours alone, the stock made a remarkable $3.02 journey between its highest and lowest points, representing a 1.74% change. Impressive, isn't it? Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Over the last week, Apple has shown a daily average volatility of 1.73%. This means there's plenty of room for exciting opportunities in the days to come. Get ready to discover the exciting trading levels for Apple. But first, let's delve into some essential fundamental data that you need to know. Picture this: the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This powerful ratio compares Apple's current share price with its per-share earnings. It's a key metric that reveals a lot about the company's financial health. Now, here's the interesting part. Apple's P/E ratio falls within a range that is often observed in businesses with a long-standing reputation or consistent revenue streams. This means Apple is in a strong position to weather market fluctuations. Alright, let's dive into some exciting day trading levels for everyone's favorite tech giant, Apple. If Apple is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $177.56. This level could be a game-changer for your trading strategy. For those already riding the Apple wave, you might want to consider swing trading at this level. Now, let's talk about the downside. Imagine Apple encounters its first support level at $174.21. Picture this as a golden opportunity to jump in and anticipate a potential rebound. Hey there! Get ready for some exciting news about Apple. But first, let's dive into the insider trades. On August 8, 2023, Catherine L. Adams, an insider, made a bold move by selling a whopping 5,600 shares of Apple's common stock. Just a few days earlier, on August 5, Deirdre O'Brien, another insider, made a smart move by buying 31,896 shares of common stock. However, Deirdre O'Brien also sold 16,477 shares of common stock on the same day. And guess what? On August 7, Deirdre O'Brien sold another 15,419 shares of common stock. Oh, and there's more. Deirdre O'Brien sold 31,896 shares of restricted stock unit on August 5 as well. After analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've discovered that the insider power is in a negative territory with a ratio of -31.521. Overall, insiders have purchased a staggering 1,482,933 shares and sold 2,854,059 shares in the last 100 trades. We've got some bad news on this stock, and there's a twist: no stop loss has been set. Are you considering investing in Apple stock? Well, here's what you need to know. Apple currently faces some challenges and is experiencing a downward trend, indicating potential weakness in the coming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock leans towards the negative side. However, let's not overlook an interesting detail. Our analysis of the market's volatility and recent movement suggests that the current price of Apple stock may be undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, September 25, we anticipate Apple's opening price to be $0.518 higher than its previous closing price, starting the day at $175.31. Hey there! It's important to remember that trading can be a risky business. Before you jump into buying or selling any securities, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor. Now, let's talk about StockInvest.us. While we provide valuable information, it's crucial to note that you should not solely rely on it for your investment decisions. By using our information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. So, let's dive in and explore the world of trading. Hey there! Welcome back to Stock Invest, where we bring you all the latest insights on the stock market. Now, let's dive right into our current view of the stock. But before we do, we want to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree with our analysis? Comment below and share your valuable thoughts. Now, let's talk about your target for this stock. What are you aiming for? We'd love to know. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. As always, we wish you nothing but success in your trading journey. And before we sign off, we want to remind you to have a beautiful day. Sending our best regards from the entire Stock Invest team.